Hey guys, Dustin with Custom Offsets, and today we're back with another episode of Cool Truck Shit. Now this one I'm super excited about. On the table in front of me are 2 of the 3 boxes that we actually got sent by Kryptonite. So we're gonna unbox them, we're gonna kind of go through them a little bit and talk about all the good stuff they've got going on. So before we do that, if you wanna check out these products or any of the other products we have, customoffsets.com. Let's get into it. All right, so let's open this guy up. I have not opened these yet, as you guys just saw, so I'm just as excited as you guys are. Perfect. So first thing we see here is this nice verbiage that says, "Congratulations on your purchase of Kryptonite steering and suspension products. The products have been engineered specifically for hardcore demands for the heavy-duty truck owner," yada, yada, yada. Pretty cool stuff there. The guys at Kryptonite do a super good job. They're probably one of the best in the industry by far. So this in front of us is their SS Series center link and tie rod package. Now this comes as a complete package on their website. You can also buy the individual pieces, but we got the whole package. So we're gonna get right into it then. Some nice little instructions to make sure that you don't mess it up, because it's possible to do that. Ready for this? So there you have it, guys. So this is gonna be their tie rod kit. As you can tell, it comes with the center link and then the inner and outer tie rods here. So there's a couple of nice Kryptonite stickers in there. Here, make sure you get that. As well as some anti-seize thread lubricant, I believe is how they officially call it. So these things are super cool. As you can tell, they're super heavy duty just looking at them. They're really thick, really beefy in the center here and then on both tie rod ends as well. Again, the center link here, you pull this guy out, absolutely, oh my God. Hold on, we're having some issues. Push that guy back down here. Oh. This thing, no kidding you, probably weighs 30 pounds. It's beefy. I mean, it's solid. You can tell it's one big chunk of steel there. I'm gonna put it down before I get any more of a workout in. Probably one of the coolest things about this center link and tie rod design is it's actually modeled after the H1 Humvees from the military. So again, obviously built super heavy, made for you guys that are running bigger wheel and tire packages. If you have a GM truck, you obviously know that they're a known weak point. So this is a super cool upgrade. It's priced pretty well and it's some awesome products. So that's enough on this one. I'm gonna put this one away and we'll get to the next couple boxes. Yikes, you can see the whole table bone. So let's get this one cut open here. We'll take a look, see what's all in this one. All right, so we got a couple stickers again here. Pretty awesome there. All nice bubble wrapped. Don't hit the Lamborghini. All right, so I'm gonna unbox all of this stuff, get it all set out, and then we'll kind of go through, see what we all got going on here. So this is gonna include pitman and idler arm, support brackets, all that good stuff. They sent all that along to us. Again, one of the heavy dutiest, I think that's how you say that, heavy dutiest. Either way, one of the best kits that you can buy on the market today. Really heavy duty stuff. We're super excited to install it. So I've talked enough about this. One last thing I want to talk about with Kryptonite is that all of their products come with a lifetime warranty. So if you're the original purchaser, no matter if you race it or jump it or whatever, they don't care. Lifetime warranty. They have that much confidence in their products. So make sure you stick around till the end, because we're actually going to do a little bit of a driving review and talk about how these products work.
Perfect.
Guys, so we had a chance to put the Kryptonite components in the front end. Now we just did the center link, tie rod ends, pitman arm, idler arm, and the reinforcement bracket. And I gotta say, it is already a massive improvement from what I had going on. So this truck's got about 235,000 miles on it, and as far as I know, it still had the stock pitman and idler arm in there, and they had a ton of slop. I had a whole bunch of steering wheel slop. It was about a half of a turn on the steering wheel without actually having any traction, and it made the truck a real handful to drive down the road. I can say with confidence that having these Kryptonite products in here has significantly improved the drive quality. The steering is way more responsive. It just feels a lot better, and knowing that I have that heavy duty center link in there
and the tie rod ends and all of that good stuff, all that greasable components, really gives me a lot of confidence in this truck, in the front end. And now we can do rowdy stuff like boosted four-wheel drive launches. So maybe you'll see that coming soon. I'm not quite sure. If you want to check out any of these Kryptonite products, you can certainly do so at customoffsets.com. We carry all the Kryptonite products, and stay tuned because there will be a part 2 to this video where we actually install the rest of this goodies that they sent us, the upper control arms and ball joints and all that stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. Again, you want to check any of this stuff out, you can find it at customoffsets.com. Peace.